Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, yeah, my thing really doesn't work that well anymore, so I'm gonna only do two or three rounds again. And it depends on how long I survive. Not right now. So, yeah. So, let's do this again. I'm sorry I had to record so many videos. I'm just trying to get someone out of 7 so I can post a new one. Now, I haven't played this game in forever, so I clearly forgot how to do math. Are you serious? The first second I walk into Baldi's Basics, this is how they betray me. Let's retry this again. Let's try this again because my game broke. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to do 1 or 2 days of that glitch. One moment. Why am I still recording even? Yep. Okay. So let's continue, I guess. Trying to get this to work. I'm gonna have to only do 1 or 2 because my game is broken. Are you serious? There you go. Alright. -3? Okay. Yeah, I've been playing this game in my free time, so I was looking at those doors changed. I thought they got teleported to a different area or something like that. Wait, 4? I believe 4? Then this. I know the answer to this. That's actually the real answer to this whole question. But it says it's wrong. Yeah, screw your math physics, Baldi. I've already tried this like 5 times. I'm not gonna run at first because the principal would have just comes out whenever I go out the store. I'm just like, okay, I'm going out, and then all of a sudden he just shows up, and I'm like, no. No, I also figured out what the sock puppet does. I've been playing this game in my free time, and I got 7 out of 7 off camera. I should have recorded. If I would have recorded, I would have been able to get it. Oh, are you serious? One, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Let's follow her. Baldi. I'm gonna run in the classroom because I get that free time. -3, and then yeah. Now I want to see if I could get something out of 7 this time. That'd be great. I don't know how close Baldi is. Wait, can I go for here? Will Baldi be here? I'm not sure if Baldi will be. Okay, I could tell he's coming from a different way. Which if he literally just scares me like the last time when I just walked out when I first started playing, like in the middle of nowhere. He's just like, hello. Oh no 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 no. I'm out. Goodbye. Oh crap! I am not wasting my stamina. Please come. Oh my god, no. Okay. -1, 3. I also heard that the Baldi can chase you when you get like. Did it come through the door like last time? No, 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 no. I swear to God if he comes. Please. Please don't kill me, please don't kill me. No! What? No. Are you serious? Oh my god, why? That kind of helped. But still, why? Okay, this time I'm gonna do endless. I have never done endless yet. And I'm still not even getting close enough. I'm just gonna try and get all of them wrong this time. Yep. I'm just gonna keep doing that because I really don't care. I want to see how angry I can get Baldi. I'm gonna see how angry I can get him the first time. Oh my god. Yeah, Dion's fast. I should probably do the other way around before I get killed next time. How long have I been recording? I'm just gonna stop here for now because last time I just quit out on purpose. Sorry, this is such a short episode. This is counting on the second part again because I failed. So sorry about that, guys. So bye. Oh yeah, I forgot. I never stopped recording. So yeah, guys. I'll see you guys later. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. This is actually one of the first times I actually got to say that. This is part 1. I'm not sure. So bye.